Sammy!
Welcome to Ariel's birthday party. Your invitation, please.
Here you go, Sammy.
Oh, thank you. Well. Everything is fine, but I still can't let you in, Susan.
Huh? Why?
You don't fit into the dress code.
Oh, but what about my bracelets with seashells? And check out my nail polish. I chose glistening colors. They look like fish scales.
It's all good, but what's up with your shoes?
Oh, Sammy, come on. Where was I supposed to find sea-themed shoes?
So you're a crafter after all. You could make them.
Oh, you're right. But I need an assistant.
Say no more. I'm on it.
Hi, guys. Today we're going to introduce you to sea fashion.
Yeah, we even delayed Ariel's birthday party for this. It's a big deal.
Sammy, you look like you've come from the ocean.
Ugh. Some guests were not very happy, but what can I do? Your look should be spectacular.
Sorry, I appreciate your hardship, Sammy, so let's begin. We'll need some foam, beads, sequins, and feathers.
Shoo, why are these sneakers here? Do you want to make over them?
Well, they look good to me, but for the sake of crafting…
It's a special day and we need a special pair of shoes. I'll be right back.
And what should I do in the meantime? Sammy, where are you?
And here are our special guests. An amazing pair of high heels.
Sammy, they look awesome! Where did you find them?
You need to check your wardrobe more often.
Guys, this transparent heel is so on point. Do you agree?
I like it. Guys, support us with a thumbs up.
But they don't quite match the party theme, right? Let's see what we can do. Let's take some purple fabric and cut out the shape of the inner part of the shoe. Watch your hands!
For the toes part.
Yeah, right, those jokes of yours. Let's glue it here. This color already reminds me of sea corals.
Under the sea, corals are wetter, high heels are better. Take it from me.
Sammy, you should sing that version at the party today.
Spare me, Susan, or Sebastian won't talk to me again.
Oh, that's a scary thought. Guys, our shoes originally don't have counters, so we're making them now. Don't glue your hands to the shoes. If you repeat this craft, it'll be tricky to escape then.
I made it right. Look, we have an identical pair.
Very well, Sammy. Do you mind if we exchange them for the next part?
Okay, but it seems like my shoe is a bit prettier. Just kidding.
And now let's add some sparkles. Woo!
Huh? Holy cannoli, they look just like fish scales, or like sparkles on the water.
Or it's just blurring your eyes, Sammy. Anyway, they fit this transparent heel so well. Awesome!
And I know what will make it even better.
Couldn't you tell us first and then go away? Secretive as always. Anyway, guys, how about glitter rain?
So they're so shiny it hurts my eyes. Oh, and I brought something.
For me? Come on, let me see it.
Ta-da! It's not for you, actually, but for the shoes.
And I have a fantastic idea how to upgrade this. Stay tuned. Sammy, did you bring what I asked for?
Even more, Susan. Check out how pretty these stones are.
Sammy, when I asked you to bring decorative stones, I meant gemstones. All right, let's make these smaller then. Yep, they're perfect.
Then you need tweezers or we'll lose them all immediately.
You read my mind, Sammy. Let's glue our stones to the fishtail.
Oh, so I found the smallest one. Let's put it there, too.
All right, we'll glue stones of different sizes. Trust your intuition, guys, and keep going. This way.
White, blue, turquoise. They look like tiny water drops.
All right, half of the fishtail is done. Shall we leave it like this?
Are you kidding me? We still have so many decorative stones. Let's not do things halfway.
You're so easy to trick, Sammy. Here's the second half.
Oh, so pretty. Come on, Sue, place it on the shoe or I'll steal it.
Oh, we should act fast. Whoosh! Our shoe grew its own fishtail.
Look, the other shoe copied her sister.
But now the front part looks out of place.
Then let's give it a fishy look.
Ooh, these beads perfectly imitate fish scales. Let's try them on.
Is it just me or does this look cool too?
Wow, Sammy, it's gorgeous. Come on, give it to me. It looks so shiny. Let's use it this way.
No, my precious, I can't leave you too.
Sammy, why so dramatic? I meant we can use them both.
So the beads are still in the game? Hail to me double! I almost slipped.
Guys, don't repeat Sam's dances at home. The fish shoes, though, are perfect for a DIY project.
So, you promised. Let's add the beads right now.
Oh, you're insatiable, Sammy. Okay, let's make a bead shower.
Holy cannoli, somebody pinch me! Ouch! Not so hard, Sue.
At least now you know it's real, Sammy. I need you in a clear mind to continue this craft.
Are you saying I'm crazy? On guard, Susan!
I'm afraid we should reschedule our duel for another day. Are we a team for now?
Sure, here's a second piece. Let's do it together, Sue.
Guys, you can't imagine what we've just made. Now our fish can talk. What would it say about the next decor piece?
Aha, got it. Sue, bring the sequins, lots of them.
Something interesting will be happening here very soon. Guys, stay with us.
All right, let's see. Not that, no. Can be better. No, definitely no. What's this doing here?
Sammy, it's just a sea urchin. What were you looking for?
I wanted to find the most beautiful fish scale for inspiration, but that sea urchin doesn't have scales at all.
Oh, I see. Don't worry. I've seen a lot of fish in my life, so we're not gonna fail.
We need scales on the sides and some in the front, too.
Okay. By the way, don't these scales remind you of something?
Yeah, armor.
Actually, armor was inspired by fish scales and their protective attributes.
Then I have to protect myself, too. Can you help me with the back, Sue?
Sammy, have you forgotten why we're here in the first place? Ariel is waiting for her party.
Oopsie, you're right. Then let's finish the shoes, quick.
Please help me, my knight in shining armor.
I'm always ready. Here you are.
Thanks. I think that's not enough, Sammy. Wow, now we're talking. All right. Guys, check out how shiny they are. I'm absolutely in love. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da.
Holy cannoli, how can fish look forward with their eyes on different sides?
A flat fish has both eyes on the same side.
You're not a flatfish, are ya?
No, Sammy, we'll place the eyes on different sides of our fish shoes. Guys, do you want to see more sea-themed crafts? Then give this video a thumbs up.
Oh, what a life.
It'll be quite unusual to use decoration feathers as a fancy fin, right?
Shivery cheddars, I haven't ruined them for good, have I?
If you keep going this way, you certainly will. Let's find the best place for them. Yeah, good.
Sue, some rhinestones are left. Maybe we'll find a use for them too.
Let's see. I think we can do it. We can glue them right here. Cool, huh?
Yeah, awesome. Wait, are you talking about me?
Yeah, Sammy, and about the rhinestones on the shoes too.
Wow, they look like real diamonds. You'll be the queen of the party, Susan.
Really? Where's my crown then?
Oh, how could we forget? I'll be back.
What is he up to? I hope he's not stealing the crown from King Triton himself.
Ta-da! It'll look perfect on your shoes.
Sammy, tell me the truth. Where did you get this?
I simply asked King Triton and he gave it to me. And one more copy.
Guys, our fish shoes will become royal soon. Want to see the result? Follow me.
Sue, are you ready? It's time to start the party!
Yes, Sammy, coming! Well, what do you think?
I'm sorry, Sue, I can't let you in.
Huh? What is it this time?
These shoes are just too pretty. All eyes will be on you.
Oh, well, I can live with that. Ariel and I will have the time of our lives today.
Hey, don't forget about me.
Guys, did you enjoy this transformation? Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to stay updated.
Fish you, good luck. Bye.